Hi, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we will be talking about the Vivitar Skyview video drone. Specifically, we will be talking about calibration and how to land and take off, or take off and land like a pro. I have had a lot of people write to me and say, hey Maverick, how do you do it? You always seem to have seamless landing. How do you do it? So let's get straight to it. All right, here we have our drone, the Vivitar Skyview. It looks like a space shuttle. Very nice. I've taken all the props and the landing gear out, but that wouldn't really affect anything. Let's turn it on. You see all the lights are blinking normally. Alright, make sure you place it on a smooth surface. It has to be smooth. Then turn on your remote controller and then link it by pushing the left joystick forward and backward. That's up and down if you want. And you see the light is now solid green on the back and red on the front. From there, it is simple. You push both joysticks down towards the left and hold for about 3 seconds, and then you release it. It should be blinking right now real fast. Let's see here, yeah. And then you push the calibration button, which is at the top right corner of your drone, the far right corner one. And then you do the spin around. In the manual it says spin 3 times, but you have to spin as many times as possible until the lights are steady. And let's check here. Okay, I did a couple more spins, and then the lights are now steady, and then you turn it upward just as you see right there, and then you spin it around. As you can see, I have it sitting on the table. You don't have to do it that way. You can just hold it up in the air and spin it around until all the lights are steady as described on the manual. And then you have the takeoff and landing button underneath. Let's try and see. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yep, it took off. And then let me bring it and show you exactly what I mean. Let me land it on this table, and then thereafter I'll show you how I did it. Okay, because most often than not, you see it's a perfect landing right here, but most often than not, once you land, it bounces up and down, wants to take off, and usually tends downside up. So it is a little bit tricky. It is I would call it a common fault with the drone, but I have kind of maneuvered and found a way to have a seamless and perfect landing. Okay, let's move to a flat surface so that we can take off and then land, and then I'll show you how I did it. It is quite simple to take off. Just take off normally, hit the takeoff button underneath, and once you're airborne and you want to land, make sure you hit the landing button underneath, and then once it goes down, hold steady the left joystick. Make sure you hold it down towards the downwards position like I just showed, and then hold till the propeller stops spinning. Let's do it again. It is very simple. Take off, hit the takeoff button, land, hit the landing button underneath, and then hold your left joystick towards the down position and hold, and that's just simple. That's just it right there, guys. That's how I do it. So Let's have some fun. Let's fly a little bit. And oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and practice this technique. It should work. It works perfectly with mine. And if you have any further question or any thing you want me to show you how to do, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. And let's have some fun. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about.